I'll be showing you step by step how to find the Shopify Dawn sitemap. And overall, this is going to be a super quick video here. And this step is going to apply to any theme, regardless if you're using the Shopify Dawn theme. So to access the sitemap, the first thing we're going to need to do is grab the URL for our Shopify store. And if you don't know it off by heart, maybe you're just using the .myshopify.com URL for now, we can head to the Shopify dashboard. And if we hover over online store here, you'll see an eye icon pop up. This will say view your online store. And so I've opened up a new URL here just so you can see what I'm typing into my URL bar. So I'm just going to paste this link when I click view your Shopify store. Now mine had a bunch of extra stuff added at the end there because this is a development store. It had all those extra stuff just to make sure I could load it in a URL. So let's go and load the sitemap URL here. So in the URL bar, I just have to hit /sitemap.xml. And that's the sitemap here. You can see it in the screen behind me as well. And that's because my Chrome browser has a dark setting. But here we can see the sitemap for the store, and it's an XML file. It doesn't have any styling associated with it, so it's quite plain for now. That's basically how you access the sitemap for your store. You're just going to add /sitemap.xml. And as mentioned, this is going to apply to any theme you're using on your store. Before I go, if you're looking for the ultimate no-code Shopify theme designed to increase conversions in any niche, look no further than my very own theme called Conversion King. It's packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features out of the box, saving you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. This concludes the video here, nice and short. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.